crushed by compatibility issues when trying to edit your flagship Sony A1 footage in Adobe? Let's fix that. You've just captured some incredible footage on your Sony A1, but when you try to import it into Adobe Premiere Pro, you're met with this frustrating unsupported file format error. Don't despair. This is a common hurdle, and today, we're going to walk through exactly how to overcome it. First things first, ensure your Adobe software is completely up-to-date. Head over to your Creative Cloud desktop app and check for any pending updates for Premiere Pro, After Effects, and Media Encoder. Often, Adobe releases updates that include support for new camera codecs. A quick update can be the magic bullet you need. If updating doesn't solve it, the next step is often a dedicated codec. Visit the official Sony support website and search for your A1 model. Look for any available drivers or codec packs specifically designed for your camera footage. Download and install these, following the on-screen instructions precisely. Now, for a robust workflow, especially if you're working with demanding codecs like the A1s, transcoding, or creating proxies, is your best friend. Open Adobe Media Encoder, import your Sony A1 footage, and select a more editing-friendly format like ProRes or H260 for Premiere Pro. It's also excellent at generating proxies directly within the application, which can significantly speed up your editing process without sacrificing quality. By following these steps, updating your software, installing camera-specific codecs, and utilizing transcoding or proxies, will unlock a seamless editing experience. Get the most out of your stunning Sony A1 footage and elevate your post-processing workflow.